Hello traders, and welcome to Midnight Terminal. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the application and show you how to place your first trade on Kalshi's 15-minute Bitcoin market. When you log in for the first time, you'll be asked to choose between live mode and paper mode. For this overview, I'll be using paper mode, and I strongly recommend that new users start here while they become familiar with the platform. Once you select an environment, you'll be taken to the main trading screen. Front and center is the BRTI chart. It updates every second and displays the Bitcoin pricing data Kalshi uses to determine the outcome of these markets. You can switch to a line chart using the button in the upper right corner, but once you become comfortable reading the BRTI candlestick chart, you'll likely find it much more useful. There are four main features on this chart that you should understand. First is the strike price. This is the price the market is trading around. For example, if the strike is $65,000, you are trading on whether Bitcoin will finish above or below $65,000 when the market expires. Second is the current BRTI price. This is the latest reported BRTI value, and it updates once per second. Third is the 60-second BRTI average. This represents the rolling average of the recent BRTI prices, and is the value Kalshi uses when determining the final outcome of the market. Finally, in the upper right-hand corner of the chart, you'll see the expiration timer, which counts down the time remaining in the current event. Moving to the right, we have the order entry panel. This is where you choose whether you want to buy or sell, whether you want to trade yes or no, and whether you want to enter your order using a number of contracts or a specific dollar amount. Below that is the live order book. The red rows show available sell offers, the green rows show active buy bids, and the spread in the middle shows the current gap between the best available bid and offer. To the left of the order book are several panels that track your activity in the current market, including your open positions, pending orders, and recent activity. The easiest way to explain these is to place a trade. Since we are in paper mode, let's first add money to our account by selecting the Add Money button. In this example, we can see that Bitcoin is trending upwards towards the yes side. I'm going to input that I would like to purchase 100 contracts. Midnight Terminal uses limit orders. The price entered here represents the highest price I'm willing to pay for each contract. I'll enter a limit price of 95 cents. After I place the order, it appears in the Pending Orders panel. My order is now waiting to be filled, and Midnight Terminal will purchase contracts at the best available price, as long as that price does not exceed my 95-cent limit. And there we go. Our order has been filled. The position now appears in the Open Positions panel, where we can see the number of contracts we own, our average entry price, and our current profit or loss. For now, I'll let the trade run and see whether the market moves in our favor. The market has now moved up to 97 cents, so we're currently in profit. I'll select Sell All to close the position. Once the order is filled, the position disappears from open positions, and our updated balance is reflected in the cash section at the top of the screen. We can also review the activity log to see when we entered the trade, when we exited, and any other important events that occurred during the session. And that's the basic Midnight Terminal workflow. Choose your environment, understand the market and strike price, place your order, monitor your position, and exit when you're ready. For more detailed explanations of features such as stop losses, hotkeys, indicators, and instant orders, check out the official Midnight Terminal guide, which is updated regularly. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.